How to watch your stream on Twitch. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can watch your stream on Twitch, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to watch your stream on Twitch, let's say you open up your Twitch and then you stream something, and then tomorrow you want to find that stream, so you want to watch your past streams. Now for this you need to have a certain setting enabled by default. You need to click the profile icon from the top right of Twitch homepage. Then simply go to create a dashboard that you can find here. So once you go to create a dashboard, here you can see settings. Open settings and here you can just stream. So go to stream, and here if you look, you'll find this option that says store past broadcast. So when you turn this thing on, if you stream something today, it will automatically save those streams for up to 7 days, 14 days for affiliates, 60 days for partners, turbo and prime users, right? So if you're an affiliate, you'll be able to see for 14 days. If you're a partner, you'll be able to see for 60 days. If you're a turbo or prime user, you'll be able to see for 60 days as well. Now let's say tomorrow, let's say I stream something today after turning this option on. Now where do I find that stream? Well, to find that stream, I'll just come back to Twitch first, then just click on my profile icon, and this time just go to channel. And when I go to channel, if I go to videos, right under it you should be able to find recent broadcast. So when you go to recent broadcast now, then you will be able to find all those broadcasts that you have. So this way you should be able to watch your stream on Twitch. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.